Take a look at the highlights of the innings. Started off brilliantly with the bang, did left-hander Zan, a couple of sixes, and then a very good comeback made by the bowler. It was high, miles in the air, and in the end, a well-judged catch under the lights, never easy. But that was a good one. Carved away it was by Hafiz Aqib, the captain. But then he too was taken at the back with a square boundary. Sixes from Usama Ali's bat. Short pitch bowling has been effective at times, but only if the direction was good. This was an inside edge by Usama Ali. Cost him his wicket, and Shera Tarad was absolutely feeling at home when he was striking the ball. When it was short, he was middling them to perfection, and that was a good six by Arslan Butt, and that's it.